Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is day 12 and this is going to be the week 2 update of my weight loss journey. So I'm sitting here with my Kada and I will vlog all the meals that I will be having today. Also I'm separating this leaves from the stem. This is methi and we are going to make methi paratha today. I make all the meals by myself, or sometimes I have chapati which my mother makes in the morning. I make only my meals. I don't cook for the family because my family, we are Gogans, so we like having fish curry rice and all. And this diet does not involve anything like that sort. So I have to make my own meals. So yeah, I'll catch you back when I have my breakfast. This is a breakfast, one methi paratha, chole and water. So guys, it is 12 o'clock and I'm going to have a banana right now. Also, I just made the methi paratha in the morning and not the chole. Chole was made by my mom and yeah, I don't know how to make that. I will try the recipe some other time. Tell me some more video ideas because every Monday you are going to get like one fun and entertaining video, and Thursdays is going to be weight loss update. But next Monday is also going to be a weight loss challenge, 7 days challenge with results. So it is going to be like the Chloe Tings challenge. So yeah, hope you're liking my videos and also subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I'll catch you back during lunch then. So guys, I forgot to shoot the lunch part, but I had the methi paratha that I had in the morning. They were remaining, and crab gravy and crab fry. So yeah, that's what I had for lunch. And now I'm having a mosambi for my evening snack. And yes, I'm in a mess because I was editing the video that will go up tomorrow. So yeah, now I'll catch you back when I have my dinner. First we are having egg bhurji, chapati and crab curry. There are no crabs in here, but I'm just having the gravy with chapati today. So today's lunch is brown rice, fish and crab curry. So in the evening I'm having coffee with jaggery and milk. So for dinner we are having papaya. Guys, I thought this video might be a little short, so I thought why not do a mini haul because I had ordered some items from Nykaa. But if you directly want to go and see the results, then you can directly go. I'll put a time here where you can directly skip and go to this part and see the results. But if you're interested in watching this haul, then continue. These are the items that I bought. So the first item is this. Many of you must have seen these items. This is the Pond's Super Light Gel, and I tried this yesterday and it is very nice product. As in, you feel your face is like so moisturized and it keeps your face hydrated. Yes, I love this product and I'm going to buy it again and again. The next product is this. This is the Lakme 925cc Complexion Care Cream, and I have used this product also and I have repurchased it and I love this product too. If you don't want a heavy foundation or anything, you can just apply the CC cream. The next one is the Maybelline foundation in the shade 220. So yes, I did not have a Maybelline foundation and I have seen many YouTubers using this foundation using mainly Maybelline products, and I did not own any Maybelline products, so I wanted to try it out. Next is a lip shade. This is the Super Stay Ink Crayon by Maybelline. It comes with a sharpener and I'll put the shade name over here somewhere. You can read it and I'll show you how it applies. So this is the shade. It does not look that good on me, but I can use it, like mix it with some other shade and use it. And the last thing that I got is this makeup fixer by Swiss Beauty, and I've seen many YouTubers talk about this product, mainly Jyoti Sethi. She has been using this product and it's a very affordable makeup fixer. So yeah, this was the last product. So hope you liked this mini haul, and now we are going to head towards the results. So guys, finally it is day 14 and I'm so excited to show you all my weight. So I measured my weight in the morning and I will put a clip of it over here and then I will talk to you. So I have lost around 2 kgs in this week too, and total in 2 weeks I lost around 4 kgs, and I'm finally below that 100 kg mark. Although it is 99.9, but still it is below 100 kg guys. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I just don't do the diet. I also go to the gym every day, like 6 days a week I go, and I do like a 2 hours workout. Most of it is because of the diet, but also I've been working out, and I've also taken up a challenge, a 7 days challenge, which will be up on my channel on this coming Monday. So you be excited for that challenge too. And yeah, it's all the hard work and all the efforts that are showing the results. I'm not strictly following the diet. Like if in the breakfast option she has given methi paratha or roti sabzi, I also go by my instincts and I go have poha, upma. Like you can eat whatever you like, but it should be in the healthier options, and that does not affect your journey too much. Like it has not affected mine at least. And the most important part is having your dinner light, and it really helps in the weight loss journey. So keep your dinner very light, and if you're not going to the gym or not doing any exercises, then just go for a walk, just be active. This is going to help you a lot. My energy levels have increased and I feel more active day by day now. Also, if you have any questions regarding the journey, weight loss journey, then you can ask me in the comments. I will surely answer them. I'll see you in the next week on Monday with the 7 days challenge that I've taken up, and Thursday will be the week 3 update. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Yes, bye guys, see ya.